Welcome everyone. Today I will be sharing healthy but delicious detox salad with you to start off the new year with a great bang. And you will love how quick and easy this salad comes together, leaving you more energetic with a boost of our immune system. And good thing about this salad is you can even make and store this salad for a day or two, and this tastes even better the next day. I try to incorporate most of the colors of rainbow in our meals whenever possible. Let's start by chopping the Swiss chard first. Wash and dry the chard and start off with removing the midrib and then slice them lengthwise. Stack over and then slice again into small pieces. Swiss chard is a nutritional powerhouse with excellent source of vitamin K, A and C and good source of magnesium, potassium, iron and dietary fibers. It has excellent heart health benefits, decreases insulin resistance, and lowers blood sugar. After Swiss chard, let's start cutting our broccoli into small pieces. Broccoli lowers the risk of cancer and boosts the immune system, and its high fiber content helps in weight loss. After broccoli, I am using purple cabbage. Remove any bruised leaves before cutting, rinse and dry, and place cut side down on cutting board and thinly slice into ribbons. I like to chop it into even smaller pieces for convenience of eating. Purple cabbage is a good mix of vitamins and minerals and helps body to produce red blood cells. It contains 10 times more vitamins and improves eyes, teeth, bones, and immune health. After cabbage, let's grate a carrot. Now chop one spring onion. And cut orange into small pieces. Now thinly slice a ginger and cut into juliennes. Ginger can help treat chronic indigestion, can help with osteoarthritis, helps in weight loss, and drastically lowers blood sugars and improve heart disease risk factors. Throw everything in together into the bowl. For the dressing, squeeze half a lemon and remove all the seeds. 1 teaspoon ginger juice. Ginger juice gives that extra kick and is great for detoxing and cleansing. I have used a lemon press to squeeze juice out of ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and around 1 tablespoon of honey. Black pepper and salt to taste. Whisk everything together and our dressing is ready. I am using raisins and Brazilian nuts for topping. You can substitute Brazilian nuts with almonds, walnuts, or nuts of your choice. Add dressing and mix gently. Save some dressing for the end. Now arrange round orange slices on top of layer and drizzle the remaining dressing. Enjoy crunchy, colorful burst of flavors. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.